Hello, I am Cameron and I work for SACO Military and Law Enforcement Business Unit here in Finland. We're now moving into the recall and controllability of the TRG62A1. The TRG62 only weighs just on 7 kgs, so it's a very light rifle for a 9.5 by 77 cartridge. To compensate that, SACO designed our own 4-chamber muzzle brake, and with the main goal of dampening the recoil and maintaining control of the rifle. By reducing the recoil and allowing for that control, it allows the shooter to focus on shooting rather than straining or putting undue stress on the natural alignment of the weapon and the shooter. For more information, go to our website, saco.global. Thank you.